What is going on today, YouTube? Today, I'm going to show you guys an investing game, teach you guys a little bit about investing and how it all works. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make daily stock market videos, just teaching you guys things I wish I knew when I first started. If you like this kind of content, leave a like on the video, comment below if you got any questions, and subscribe to my channel. So anyways, there's this game. It's from the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad from Robert Kiyosaki. It's an actual board game, or you can buy it, but it's a pretty cool game. It teaches you, and there's opportunities to buy stocks. There's opportunities to buy real estate inside the game. Kind of give you a little simulation. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. It's free. All you have to do is go to this website. I'll put a link below, but you just go to the richdad.com. Just type in cash flow game if you want to, and you have to sign up with your email and everything. Hit play now. So it's going to take you to this screen. You can hit create a new game. And I'm just going to do one player, create game. You can play by yourself or you can play with random people online. People aren't always on. Sometimes you just have to wait. And sometimes you kind of get lucky. But, alright, so you can play with people on the same platform too. So if I have like 3 people here that want to play with me, like at my house or right around me, you can play. So you hit begin game. You have to choose your dream. You have to go through the list, choose your dream. I'm actually just going to choose golfing. I like golfing. It's my turn. Start off. Okay, as you can see, it gives you you get a random job. So right now, I have an engineer salary. That's my cash flow. These are my expenses that I need to pay back. Assets are down here. I do not have any. And here are my liabilities. The assets you build up as you go along. Liabilities are things that I have to pay. Like, these are the total loans of what I have to pay. And my expenses, these are per month. So see, like I have home mortgage payment. Home mortgage. I have a $75,000 house. And I'm paying $700 a month on it. And this game, I mean, it can take a while, but the point of it is it's throwing stuff at you. So, okay, so see, my first turn, first roll. I'll explain the board in a second. Couldn't resist buying a new painting by a local artist, so I have to pay $200. Don't have a choice. I have to pay it. You can borrow more money, or you can repay some of your loans. My cash on hand right now is only $18.90, so the only thing I can pay off is this retail debt. So we're going to start off by that. Repay this retail debt, pay it off. You can make your whatever you want, but the point of it is you want to get out of the so-called rat race, which is a 9-to-5 job, as fast as you can and get to what you actually want to do. So you're going to be in this rat race until you build up your assets high enough to take care of your day-to-day expenses. But for this video purpose, I'm going to go ahead and play, and then I will bring up any highlights of things that can help you along the way. Show you what I did. You can change it. You can do whatever you want every way. But a lot of people say set a timer for like an hour. And you want to get out of the rat race as fast as possible. As soon as you're out of this, you don't have to go to your 9-to-5 job anymore and you're done. Okay, so I'm going to play. I'll bring you the highlights. Alright, so this is the first time the deal opportunity came up. Small deal costs $5,000 or less, or big deal costs $6,000 or more. You just have to click on small or big. See, the cost is $50,000. You can buy a 3-to-2 house in older area, highway, department market has crashed. No bids at last week's auction. I don't have to have a down payment. Cash flow is going to be minus $100 per month. Cost of the whole house is $50,000. So you make the decision right here. The market has crashed. So there's no bids at the auction. So have you ever heard when things are looking bad, things go up and down, up and down. So for example, I'm just going to buy it and see what happens. I'm going to buy it because I don't even have to pay a down payment, but I'm going to lose out on $100 every month. Maybe eventually the housing market will rebound and I'll be able to sell it for a profit. We'll see what happens in the game. Alright, so this one hit me too. I just had a new baby, it looks like. So now I'm going to have to pay an extra $250 per month. So let's keep going. Car air conditioner died. I'm just getting hit left and right with these bad luck, but I got to pay $700. Alright, so we got an offer. $5,000 down payment. I'm going to have the cash flow of $220 per month for a 2-to-1 condo in desirable neighborhood, close 2 jobs, and stores. It's a condo for sale. It's a bank foreclosure. Looks like an opportunity to me, so I'm going to buy it. Alright, well, I got hit with another one. Pay full set of your expenses and lose 2 turns and charity. Pay $34.10. And I don't have enough funds to pay this with my current cash because I just bought that house with a $5,000 down payment. So I got to take out a loan, $2,000 loan for a monthly payment of $200. It's not looking good right now, but hopefully that house can pay off. Alright, so here's my first stock opportunity. Got a preferred stock. Cost is going to be $1,200, and the trading range is $1,200 to $1,200, and I'm only going to make $10 per every time. So I don't like this opportunity. It doesn't look good to me, so I'm going to pass on it. And I just got that loan out. I got enough cash to pay it off, so I'm going to pay off that loan. Alright, next deal. I got this mutual fund offer. Costs $30, trading range is $10 to $30. So it's at its high point right now. That's the way of seeing it. So I'm not going to buy it. I finally got enough cash on hand to repay my credit cards. So I'm going to pay those off because those are usually high interest. So those are going to be gone. Got offered a stock. Stock cost of this MYT4U. Its cost is $40. And it goes from a range of 5 to 30. It's way overpriced right now. So I'm going to have to pass on it. Alright, so someone offered to buy that house that I bought for $50,000. They're offering me $15,000 more than I paid for it, and I'm still losing money on it. So I'm going to end up selling it. So now I got rid of that. Passive income's up to $220 now, and I am getting in a lot more cash. And payday's going up because I'm getting rid of these liabilities. Alright, so I got offered this rare gold coin. Costs $500. And it says it's rare, so it's a risk, but I'm going to take the risk, and hopefully it's worth more down the road. And also, since I got that $15,000 from that house, I'm going to use that to pay off my school loans. So now I get rid of that debt. Alright, here we go, guys. Got that stock offer again. Now, the cost is $10, so it's at the lower end. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy about 700 shares for $7,000. Alright, I got another stock offer. This is a different stock, but the cost is $40 and the trading range is 5 to 40. So I'm not going to buy it. I'm going to pass up on this one. Alright, I was offered $55,000 for that other condo I bought. $40,000. I know my head's in the way, but... And since that condo is actually bringing me in $220 a month, I'm going to keep it right now. Alright, here we go. We got an offer for that stock. It tripled its value. So we're going to sell all the shares now. There's no sense, it's at its high range, so there's no sense in holding it. So I just made $14,000 in that stock. Now I'm going to keep this cash. I'm not going to pay off that car loan because that car loan doesn't cost me too much per month. So I'm going to keep holding on to that cash, and hopefully a deal comes by. Buy another house or more stock or something that's going to bring me more money later. Alright, got offered another condo, so I'm going to buy it. Cash flow is $140 per month, down payment $4,000. Okay, got another stock. $10 for that OK4U. So I'm going to buy a bunch of this stock. I'm going to buy $2,500 of this stock for $25,000 since I have a good bit of cash on hand. Okay, that company I just bought, I got it split 2 for 1. You can watch my other videos. Splits don't really change the price of your stock. You just get more of them or less of them, depending if they're stock splits or reverse splits. So that's good. Oh, here we go. They got a massive loss due to a drug scandal. So now we lose half of all the ownership rights. Reverse split 1 for 2. So we're back to where we were. So guess what, guys? We had another kid. So now I'm going to be paying another extra $250 per pay period. Alright, so we got offered to buy another house. $4,000 down payment. It looks like a good investment because it's in a depressed market. So we're going to buy it. So I got another stock offer for this stock. It's at its low range. And I've already bought and sold it once before, so we're going to buy it again. We're going to buy 1,500 shares. The owner is unexpectedly moving out of town, so this house is basically it's going to be cheaper because he needs to get rid of it. So we're going to make that $3,000 down payment and get another house. Alright, so that stock we bought, it went up. Owned 2,500 shares, bought it at $10 a share. You can see down here. So we're going to end up selling it now. We're going to sell all the shares. Look at that, guys. $75,000 profit. So I just tripled my money on that stock. $77,000. I'm going to use that to pay off my house. So I get an extra $700 per month. But this is where this game, you can make the decision. You could wait to see if you get a better deal. But I'm going to use it to pay down my debt. Alright, so that MYT4U stock's still down. High inflation leads to poor share price for this home electronics seller. So I'm going to buy more shares of it. I'm actually going to buy 1,000 shares. Just because it's a game. I probably wouldn't buy 1,000 shares. Leave myself with $24 though. See, this is where I got hurt right here. I just got hit with a an unexpected payment. Now I don't have enough funds, so I gotta take out a loan. Alright, so I got that back, and I'm gonna use that to pay off that loan that I just took out. I guess I had another kid, guys, so now I got 3 kids. That adds another $250 to my expenses. Okay, so I got an offer for 10 acres of land with no roads, no utilities, and no noise. Seems like a riskier piece of investment because I'm not around anything, but we're gonna buy it and see what happens. Alright, so that stock I bought for $5 per share is now up to 20. That's 4 times my investment. I'm gonna sell it right now for a total of $50,000. Now, since I'm up to $77,000, I'm gonna pay off my car loan. So right now I got some liabilities, but they're bringing me in some money. Alright, so we got this offer to deal up with this sandwich shop that's doubling the number of locations. Seems like a good investment opportunity. Down payment $30,000. Since I just sold that stock, I got the money on hand. Alright, so we got another partnership availability. Down payment $30,000, bringing a monthly cash flow of $1,000. So we're gonna buy that. So right now I got my total expenses $2,890. My passive income to $3610. My passive finally is past my expenses. So now I'm out of the rat race. This is the second part of the game. I finally got my passive income to surpass what I'd need to owe every month or every 2 weeks, whenever your bills come out. Alright, so yeah, it's these build up their passive income to be greater than their total expense. They have entered the fast track. Receive 100 times your passive income, purchase your dream, or increase your cash flow day income by $50,000 to win the game. Passive income 316. So now the second part of the game. You roll the dice and now you're on the outside of the board. And you keep on going until you land on your spot, or you can see my cash on hand is $316,000. I can keep on investing in more companies or whatever comes up. This was $5,000 per month for a $120,000 investment. So that's something you see value in, then you pick it in the game. There's no set rules to this game. It's just faster you can get to your dream. Now, so you just keep on getting these offers for like pizza franchises, quick food marts, truck parks, maker, and so on. Keep on buying them, and you can get up your passive income. And here we go. Just won the game. I got this Russian oil deal by raising my passive income over $50,000. So that's it for the game. Just wanted to show you guys this cash flow game. Thought it was pretty cool. If you guys are just interested in any game out there that kind of simulates your assets, your liabilities, and how to go about it, it just kind of gives you a good sense of how you can make money different ways you can earn it. And honestly, the faster you can get through the game, the better off you are. That means you made the right investments and made the right choices to get out of your 9-to-5 job, and then you go around the board until you build up enough assets for your dream or you land on your dream space. So if you like the video, guys, leave a like on it, comment below if you got any questions, and share it to someone else that could use it. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel. Make daily videos about the stock market, so we'll get back to that. And I will see you guys tomorrow.